All right, tiny kitchen, tiny DIY, do it your fucking self, man. I love Lobster Bisque, but Valentine's Day, I wasn't really trying to go out and be in no crowded restaurant, so I made it at the crib. All right, started out, little 5 cups of water, get the splashing in there, you know what I'm saying? And today's unlucky volunteers, Clarence and Marco, they're cool as shit, but, you know, it had to be what it was. And so Clarence, he was like, fuck, man, I lived a good life, let's get it. Marco, he wasn't with the shit, so he put up a fight to the very end. He's still twitching till the heat kicked on. And it was humane, you know, in some countries, but let's move forward. All right, the recipe said when they red, they dead. So that's what time it is. Pull them on out. And now it's time to get the crackers.
Then pop off then.
All right, so you got to get all the meat out. That's what they said. Pull all the meat out. Pull your meats out. The knuckles, the hands, the guts, the tail. Cut all that out. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a seafood stock. You're going to make a homemade broth. Look at the size of that tail. Make sure you get all the meats out. You know what I mean? No meats left behind because this is going to be in your broth. Now, pour the shells back in the pot and get that bitch to boiling. Let it steam for a minute. Now you work on the bisque. They said add the holy trinity. That's carrots, celery, onions. Put a little tarragon. Did Tara leave for the day? Yeah, tarragon. And put that thyme in. Today I got time. Then you stir that joint up. You make it real good. Throw chicken bouillon, cubing this, and pepper. Then you stir that joint up. Put some tomato paste in there. And add some sherry wine. And you stir that joint up. All right, then you add your homemade seafood stock. And guess what? Stir that joint up. All right, get it to a boil for about 30 minutes. All right, now you're ready to switch pots. Man, you need a bigger pot. We got a new cookware. I ain't trying to scratch it. Put some heavy cream in there.
Cash rules everything around. Cream, get your body.
Beat that joint up with the immersion blender. Add your chunks of meat. Beat that joint up with the immersion blender. And you stir that joint up. Voila, nigga, voila. Lobster Bisque. Tiny DIY, tiny kitchen, do it your fucking self.